I invite you to just get comfortable wherever you are in this moment, sitting comfortably or lying down, and just invite your beautiful eyes to close. Begin by becoming aware of your breathing. Just feel the air as it goes in through your nose and down into your lungs, out into your bloodstream, bringing every cell in your body exactly what it needs to support your life. Maybe you can feel the breath as it enters with a cool feeling. And notice how your body warms the air as it gently travels down into your lungs. Filling your lungs with a deep inhale, bringing in energy, bringing in vitality, supporting your life in this moment right now. And as you exhale, feel your body releasing tension, releasing toxins, releasing stress, releasing any negativity that has built up. Just stay with your breath, focusing on the feeling of deep peace, breathing in and out, feeling the energy that's in your body. And I invite you to become aware of the warmth and tingling of every cell, feeling the energy that's in your whole experience. And maybe you can even notice your energy connected with the extended environment in every part of nature and in every living thing. Just bring your awareness to the experience of being all connected. And let's go to that beautiful place inside of you where your life energy and everything that makes you, you lives. Just be in touch with that energy right now, imagining the light that is within you, shining brightly. Just allow that light to fill your whole body. Just feel it traveling down your body, down your legs to the tips of your toes, and down your arms to the tips of your fingers, up through your neck, the top of your head. Just filling your whole body with light. Feel the energy. And allow that energy to completely fill any physical area that needs some attention right now. That healing energy. Feel it warming, healing, and expanding. And allow the healing light to bring peace to any emotional issues, checking in with what feelings need your attention right now. Bringing your awareness to any intentions or desires that you might have. Just hold these thoughts of those intentions or desires as you allow your life energy, your light, to just be with you. Feeling your connection with yourself and feeling your connection with everything around you and the universe, knowing that all is one. I am me. No one on this planet is exactly like me, and I am part of the whole of this planet. Just stay with whatever you're experiencing right now. Staying with a deep, relaxing, peaceful feeling of bliss. Knowing that I can love me. I can accept me. I have all the resources that I need, not just to survive, but to thrive and to grow. So with this sense of knowing, again, just start to bring your awareness back to your breathing. Noticing how you experience your breath. And then noticing how you're experiencing your body right now. You can start to move, wiggle your toes, stretch your body. Just bring yourself back into the space that you're in at this moment. Allowing your eyes to open, looking around, and just being here in this present moment.